The Vani Effect.
Anand's compassion and commitment towards community empowerment.
I helped 25 people with disabilities get jobs through Hamari Vani. Anand, Morbi, Gujarat.
Anand's journey epitomizes the transformative impact of Hamari Vani, an IVR platform catering to the needs of people with disabilities. Anand, despite losing his sight at the age of 5 due to complications from chickenpox, his compassionate nature and commitment to community welfare shines through. Working at Prakash Anodizing Works in Morbi, Gujarat, Anand earns a decent salary, with the company providing essential amenities for his commute and stay. Introduced to Hamari Vani in July 2021 by a friend, Anand quickly recognized its potential to empower persons with vision impairment. On 2nd May 2022, he recorded an audio informing listeners about 25 job vacancies in Morbi, ranging from packing statues to working in watch factories with companies like Samstha Shivisa Pragyana Chakshu, offering training for these roles. Anand's initiative garnered an overwhelming response from persons with vision impairment across India seizing these opportunities. Through Anand's efforts, all 25 vacancies were successfully filled, providing employment and livelihoods for unmarried individuals with vision impairment, who now earn around 8,000 rupees per month. Additionally, they are provided with food and accommodation, ensuring their well-being. Anand's commitment to Hamari Vani is unwavering. He listens to the platform daily, particularly enjoying segments like Puneet Ka Punch and Neela Didi Ke Kahaniyan. His narrative highlights how the platform empowers people with disability by fostering community engagement and facilitating opportunities for personal and professional growth. Mallikarjuna's journey with Namma Vani.
I made life easy for my mother and sister by getting gas connection, pension, and government documents. Mallikarjuna, Yadgiri, Karnataka.
Mallikarjuna is a resident of Bommannahalli village, Yadgiri district in Karnataka. He lost his vision at the age of 8 when a young boy of his age would be running around brimming with a child's natural curiosity. An age when children learn to be independent and curious to learn different skills. Unfortunately, Mallikarjuna did not have this opportunity. He is now 17 years old. In 2021, Mallikarjuna was introduced to Namma Vani by his friend Krishna. Krishna explained to him how Namma Vani works and how it benefits persons with disability. Mallikarjuna took some time to understand the process and chose to listen to Namma Vani, an IVR interactive voice response platform, continuously to understand the functions. Mallikarjuna finally got the hang of Namma Vani, the ocean of knowledge, the support and the information it offers. To Mallikarjuna, this was a God-sent platform, for he had several queries to get things sorted out at his end. He took to recording his queries to reach out to other users through Namma Vani for information. First, he wanted to know how to apply for a gas stove and gas connection to make things easy for his mother. His next queries were about reapplying for a PAN card and the process to apply for Aadhaar and voters' ID cards. He even sought information on behalf of his sister as to how one can get a higher pension and the procedure to get a new bank passbook. Namma Vani users called him personally along with recorded information, guiding him to visit Gram Panchayat and get a gas stove and connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Mallikarjuna was ecstatic when he got the connection. He applied and received a gas cylinder and stove. He also got a new PAN card after he was advised to update and reapply for a new one from a cyber cafe. He was successful in getting his Aadhaar and voter's ID. He was also able to get a new passbook from the bank. Nammavani solved most of his problems through other members who now became his friends. Nammavani has helped Mallikarjuna and other people with disabilities to build a network of friends. Having a social circle is so important in anyone's life. It creates a sense of belonging and being connected, irrespective of the geographical distances that separate one from the other. Nammavani has a collection of recordings of the procedures and process to get a UDID card, ration card, government schemes that are useful and readily available for others like Mallikarjuna. Though the procedures look simple for many people, it is a tedious task to deal with these procedures if one is clueless. Sometimes people need guidance at every step, and thankfully, Nammavani users are eager and always ready to lend a helping hand.
Vani facilitated assistance for Uttara.
I got access to an essential medical equipment for my daily needs. Uttara Mondol, Murshidabad, West Bengal.
Uttara Mandal from Murshidabad, West Bengal, is a person with a spinal cord injury. Her experience validates the crucial role Amader Bani plays in providing support and assistance to individuals facing physical challenges and financial constraints. Following her spinal cord injury, Uttara needed a permanent catheter pipe, a vital medical device that she could not afford on her own. However, upon learning about Amader Bani through a friend, Uttara took the initiative to reach out to the community by recording an audio message on the platform. Another listener's response to Uttara's plea highlights Amader Bani's commitment to addressing the needs of its listeners. By facilitating communication and connections among its users, Amader Bani was able to connect Uttara with another listener, Deepak Maggo. He generously provided the catheter pipe she required for a year. This act of kindness and solidarity demonstrates the power of community support and the positive impact that platforms like Amader Bani can have on individuals' lives. Uttara is grateful to Amader Bani for the difference it made in her life by providing access to essential medical equipment that she otherwise could not afford. Amader Bani also helped her navigate the bureaucratic processes and access essential resources for individuals with disabilities. It is a daunting task even for people without disabilities to wade through forms and ID proofs to acquire any essential documents. By aiding Uttara in registering for her UDID card, Amader Bani has not only facilitated her access to government schemes and facilities, but has also significantly improved her quality of life. Her story is yet another example to prove the importance of a platform like Amader Bani in fostering connections, facilitating assistance, and offering hope to those in need, especially in underserved communities where resources may be scarce.
Shiva and Muthuselvam meet after decades. Kural Namada is my Facebook. Shiva, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and Muthuselvam, Kallakurichi, Tamil Nadu.
23 years ago, Shiva and Muthuselvam were hostel mates in Thomas Hostel, nestled in the heart of Trichy, and became good friends. Years passed and life took them on different paths. However, fate had a beautiful surprise in store for them. One day, while listening to audio recordings on Kural Namada platform, Shiva and Muthuselvam heard each other's voices in an audio. They wasted no time in reaching out to each other. Their meeting was a joyous occasion filled with laughter and memories of their time together in the hostel. Despite the years that had passed, they picked up from where they left. Shiva and Muthuselvam had a lot to tell each other about their lives and were ecstatic to renew their friendship. Shiva and Muthuselvam expressed their gratitude to the platform that brought them back together. They shared their happiness and appreciation, emphasizing the importance of a platform like Kural Namuda in fostering connections and bringing people closer, especially individuals with vision impairment like themselves. Their story is like a movie, almost unbelievable. Just imagine finding a long-lost friend through Kural Namuda's recorded audio.
Lal Chand's tool of opportunities and inclusivity. One audio on Vani resulted in 34 students enrolling in my training institute. Lal Chand, Bhiwani, Haryana.
Lal Chand Yadav, a person with vision impairment from Haryana, attributes much of his professional success to Hamari Vani. Introduced to the platform by a friend, he got a job through the platform and continues to utilize it as a valuable resource. Recording information about admission openings at Ant Prakash Vidyalaya via Hamari Vani, Lal Chand facilitated the enrollment of 34 students, demonstrating its impact in connecting individuals to opportunities. Highly valuing Hamari Vani for its job and training resources, Lal Chand actively encourages other persons with disabilities and friends to utilize the platform. Recently, he recorded information about computer classes, further leveraging Hamari Vani to disseminate crucial updates within the community of people with disabilities. Lal Chand Yadav's experience highlights the important role Hamari Vani plays in empowering individuals with disabilities by facilitating access to employment, education, and essential information. His proactive involvement with Hamari Vani emphasizes the importance Lal Chand gives the platform as a source of opportunity and inclusivity.
Self-employment ideas through Namma Vani.
Namma Vani users benefited from the self-employment idea I shared. Gangadhar, Bengaluru Rural, Karnataka.
Gangadhar, a resident of Vidyanagar in Devanahalli, is partially blind. He was into candle making to keep his family going. Later, he joined his brother to start a rabbit rearing business. Gangadhar wanted to share his success story and share ideas with other people with vision impairment, so he took up to Namma Vani platform. He promoted his idea of the rabbit rearing business as a means to be self-employed and earn a living. Manjunath, who is a Namma Vani user, found this idea very interesting and decided to give this a try. He invested and bought 15 rabbits and set up his business. Gangadhar and Manjunath are now self-employed and earn around 8,000 rupees per month. A simple idea shared by Gangadhar helped Manjunath to set up his own business. Probably Manjunath would never have got the idea of rearing rabbits if not for Gangadhar. This case shows that one can inspire others to make a success of their lives if there is a right platform to share their story, however remote and far away one is geographically from the other. Namma Vani has many more stories where lives of people with vision impairment has taken a turn for good, bringing hope, a means of livelihood, and happiness. Suresh expands his team.
I got a resource for my team through Namma Vani. Suresh, Bellary, Karnataka.
Here is a story of Suresh, who is a person with vision impairment. He hails from Bellary district in Karnataka. He passed his 10th standard and decided to move to Bengaluru in search of a job. he came to know about Nammavani from other people with disabilities. From then on, Suresh has been an active user. Suresh found a job in a garment company in Bengaluru. His job was to dust the stitched clothes. Suresh was satisfied with his work and worked in the same factory for 12 years. When COVID struck millions of people, its impact was also felt in India. Loss of lives and livelihood caused mayhem. Many companies and factories could not sustain, and closing shop was the only option. The garment factory where Suresh worked also shut down. Suresh tried desperately to find another job but failed to do so. Unemployment and the economic situation prompted Suresh to start thinking of ways to keep his family going. He started an orchestra group of his own and was the track singer. This new venture easily fetched him 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per day. With this, he was able to support his family. Suresh, who has been familiar with Nammavani since its initiation, decided to use the platform to expand his music group. He announced on the Nammavani platform for a female singer, Chitra, who is also a person with vision impairment and a long-time Vani user, contacted Suresh and got the job. Both Suresh and Chitra are very grateful to Nammavani for enabling them to form a team. Nammavani has helped several people with disabilities find the right job, the right calling, and even the right life partners. It has bridged many gaps in people's lives.
Echoes of empowerment, Muthuselvam's journey with Kural Namada. My plea for assistance reached the right ears. Muthuselvam, Kallakurichi, Tamil Nadu.
Muthuselvam is a person with vision impairment, is from the quiet town of Thirukovilar, Kallakurichi district. In 2023, he faced a daunting challenge when he struggled for employment through the National Rural Employment Scheme. Determined not to give up, he turned to Kural Namada, a platform that has become a lifeline for individuals like Muthuselvam. Through Kural Namada, Muthuselvam's plea for assistance reached the ears of the District Differently Abled Welfare Officer, DDAWO, of his district. Recognizing the importance of Muthuselvam's request, the DDAWO promptly intervened and advocated on his behalf to the Block Development Officer, BDO. The swift action and support from the authorities, along with Muthuselvam's perseverance and a common platform like Kural Namada for the interaction to happen, paid off. Soon, he received a job offer which brought hope into his life. Muthuselvam advocates for all people with disabilities to listen to Kural Namada like a ritual in the mornings, just as people reach out to look at WhatsApp and Facebook. He feels before using Kural Namada platform, he did not know what was happening in the society. Now, it is the only medium out there for the benefit of people with disabilities. Another experience he speaks of is the role played by Kural Namada during the storms and floods in Tamil Nadu. Kural Namada team provided phone numbers for rain and flood relief. The schemes for the persons with disabilities during natural disasters are also recorded on the platform. This is a huge relief for people with disabilities, as marginalized sections of society bear the brunt more than rest of the population during the emergencies. Muthu feels the team of Kural Namada is like family to him. When Kural Namada wanted volunteers, Muthu assured the team that he would do whatever he could within his power to help Kural Namada in the good work it is doing. He says it will be a blessing to be a part of this platform and the community. He has one request though. He wants information from other states to be published as it will widen the knowledge of its listeners. This shows how people with disabilities are thirsty for knowledge and information that can widen their horizons. With vision impairment, all information one gathers is mainly through audio and visual inputs are absent. An effective platform through its broadcasts can contribute a lot. Kural Namada brings to the fore the problems and manages to give solutions through the community, for the community, and most importantly, by the community.
Life runs on wheels.
I got a wheelchair. Anurodh, Mednipur, West Bengal.
Anurodh, a person with spinal cord injury in Paschim Medinipur, West Bengal, faced financial difficulties due to which he was unable to get a wheelchair which would ensure mobility. Without a wheelchair, life would be hell for a person with a spinal cord injury. Desperate for assistance, he turned to Amadir Bani for help. Through this platform, Anurodh was connected to several individuals and organizations, one of whom was Mithun from Ganga Foundation. After establishing contact with Ganga Foundation, Anurodh diligently filled out the required forms and provided all necessary documents. This was possible only due to the collaborative efforts facilitated by Amadir Bani. After 2 months, Anurodh received a Freedom Forza wheelchair from Ganga Foundation, enabling him to regain mobility and independence. Anurodh expresses his profound gratitude to Amadir Bani for the assistance provided. He acknowledges the invaluable support he received in acquiring the much-needed wheelchair. This heartwarming tale showcases the impact of community connections and collective efforts in improving the lives of individuals facing mobility-related challenges through Amadir Bani. The platform paves the way for independence.
I got support to install my Lifeline software. Kiran, Mysore, Karnataka.
H.P. Kiran, a resident of Mysore, Karnataka, joined Nammavani after being introduced to the platform by Lakshmi Reddy from Mitra Jyoti, Bengaluru. Kiran holds a master's degree in music and has been a music teacher in a government school for 10 years and receives a salary of Rs 30,000 per month. All was smooth sailing for Kiran till a technical glitch cut off a lot of communication for Kiran. He used Alpana software, a Kannada reading application that enabled him to read any college circulars and office memos that are circulated mostly in Kannada. This application was like a lifeline for Kiran to carry on his everyday work. One cannot imagine how cut off Kiran felt when this application got deleted from his phone. Kiran immediately thought of posting his query in Nammavani for information. He received an immediate response from another Nammavani user, Pavan, who helped by sharing the application within a few hours. Nammavani's team published the same. Kiran's experience cements the fact that Nammavani has become an integral part of many lives. One person's experience that is published can benefit many others and pave the way for independence, knowledge, and opportunities. Prince Kumar, a star of Hamari Vani.
I am a star performer of Hamari Vani. Ajay Kumar, fondly known as Prince, Sirsa, Haryana.
Prince Kumar's journey on Hamari Vani epitomizes resilience and determination. Despite being born blind, he emerged as a shining star on the platform, inspiring the community of persons with vision impairment and beyond. Prince discovered Hamari Vani in 2017 and wanted to contribute to it. However, his recordings were initially rejected. He continued to persist by improving his recordings. Over the years, his contributions soared, covering topics from technology to specialized devices like the geophone and Daisy player. His recordings became invaluable resources for others with disabilities. He was the new star on the platform. Currently, Prince's series of audios on Flex Talk demonstrates his commitment to leveraging technology for the benefit of his peers. Flex Talk is a value-based library of conversation starters for kids and adults and is suitable for homes, schools, and colleges. This will be another medium for people with disabilities to hold conversations with others. Prince advocates the use of technology to bring inclusivity to people with disabilities. His journey on Hamari Vani showcases the power of resilience, determination, and the pursuit of knowledge in overcoming obstacles. Prince Kumar is not only a voice but also a guiding light, illuminating the path for others facing similar challenges. Mohan's journey towards independence.
I learned to navigate through the digital world. Mohan Wankhede, Buldhana, Maharashtra.
Mohan Wankhede's journey exemplifies the transformative impact of accessibility tools. This has been facilitated by Hamari Vani for individuals with vision impairment. Despite facing challenges in continuing his education due to family issues, Mohan's determination to enhance his skills led him to discover valuable resources through Hamari Vani. Through Hamari Vani, Mohan gained essential knowledge about various tools and techniques crucial for persons with vision impairment, such as Braille, Braille contractions, and assistive aids. Additionally, he learned how to navigate on an Android mobile phone using TalkBack. TalkBack is an accessibility feature that helps people who are blind or have low vision to interact with their Android devices using touch and spoken feedback. This feature enables them to interact with their devices effectively. He says he has benefited a lot from Dimple's audios on Braille contractions and Prince's audios on technology. The benefits Mohan derived from Hamari Vani are profound. Not only did he acquire essential skills for using modern technology independently, but he also experienced a significant improvement in his social interactions. With his newfound knowledge and confidence, Mohan became a valuable resource for others facing similar challenges with their mobile phones. Mohan's story highlights the importance of accessibility initiatives and the positive ripple effects they can have on individuals' lives. Hamari Vani empowers individuals with disabilities with the tools and knowledge that they need to navigate through the digital world. Hamari Vani is a platform that contributes to greater inclusion and participation in society. Soma Raul finds a suitable job. My confidence increased by getting a job. Soma Raul, Medinipur, West Bengal. Soma Raul is a person with spinal cord injury who lives in Medinipur, West Bengal. Soma Raul's journey, like most people with disabilities, is that of despair and anxiety trying to find employment. Despite facing challenges in finding employment due to her condition, Soma decided to reach out for support through Amader Bani. Through Amader Bani, Soma shared her contact information. After the publication of her details, a guidance call was made. The platform's commitment to assisting individuals in need by amplifying their voices and connecting them with potential opportunities is unwavering. Sanatan, a listener of Amadir Bani who works at Maya Care Foundation, reached out to Soma regarding a telecaller vacancy suitable for remote work. Soma applied and was selected for the job as a telecaller at Maya Care Foundation and could work from the comfort of her house. Getting a job not only increases confidence but also brings down the isolation that many people with disabilities face. Increased interaction with others, like colleagues and customers, helps to normalize daily life. Amadir Bani also helped her in obtaining a UDID card, demonstrates her proactive approach in accessing resources that can improve her quality of life. The UDID card plays a crucial role in facilitating access to government assistance and services tailored to her disability, ensuring that she receives the support she needs to navigate daily life more comfortably. Soma was grateful for the opportunities that opened up and lessened her financial dependency. Vani successfully bridges the gap between job seekers with disabilities and potential employers, fostering inclusivity and empowerment within the community.
Venkatesan and Karthik's tale of friendship. I got the musical instruments I needed and also a friend. Venkatesan, Thuttukudi, Tamil Nadu.
Venkatesan from the vibrant district Thoothukudi dropped an audio message. In Kural Namada, in his message, he expressed his desire to acquire musical instruments for a mobile van advertisement project. Little did he know, his message would reach the ears of someone who would not only help him with his request, but also become a dear friend. In the city of Trichy, Karthik, another individual facing similar challenges with his vision, heard Venkatesan's audio message on Kural Namada platform. Karthik decided to reach out to him. Through a phone call, they introduced themselves and quickly bonded over their shared experiences. Karthik had the perfect solution: musical instruments that he no longer needed. Karthik had an amplifier, a mixer with 6 channel connections, an inverter, 2 microphones, and 4 speakers. These were the same equipment Venkatesan needed for his mobile van advertisements. They arranged to meet in person, and upon meeting, Karthik sold the instruments to Venkatesan and wished him good luck. Their encounter not only fulfilled Venkatesan's need for musical instruments, but his association with Karthik blossomed into a beautiful friendship. They expressed their gratitude for the platform that brought them together. They pray that Kural Namada will continue its work and bring more people closer as it did for them.
Dimple's journey of inclusivity and inspiration. I am grateful to be part of Hamari Vani family. Dimple, Sangrur, Punjab. Dimple is a mother of a son with low vision. Her empathy and determination to make a difference drove her to explore various avenues. Introduced to Hamari Vani by a friend at AICB, she quickly grasped its potential and eagerly engaged with the platform. Thus began her journey with Hamari Vani. This engagement with the community through Hamari Vani gave her solace and a purpose in life. She found peace and a sense of being complete, which she had lost when she had to give up her job and settle for marriage due to societal pressure. Using her proficiency in Braille, Dimple became a source of knowledge and inspiration. She meticulously recorded Braille contractions, aiding countless students in learning Braille effectively. Her efforts were met with praise and gratitude from the listeners, which prompted her to do more. Dimple's dedication knows no bounds. She embarked on a monumental task of recording abilities redefined, 40 life stories of courage and accomplishment from a Braille book. She recorded more than 150 audios that remote listeners found compelling. This initiative not only showcased the capabilities of people with vision impairment, but also broadened the horizons and brought in a barrage of opportunities for those eager to learn and grow. Continuing her mission, Dimple now focuses on preparing listeners for competitive exams through the General Knowledge series, which she has recorded and published on Hamari Vani. Her contributions have not only helped Hamari Vani fulfill its mission of reaching the unreached, but have also paved the way for inclusivity and empowerment within the community of people with disabilities. Dimple's efforts showcase the impact of technology in the world of disability and how it helps to break barriers. The determination of Dimple to make a difference has made her a beloved figure that only attracts gratitude and admiration from all those who stand to benefit from her contribution through Hamari Vani. Hamari Vani team hopes for many more Dimples to take the platform to greater heights. Support from Hamari Vani.
I found solace and support during COVID times. Subhash Bharti, Delhi.
Subhash Bharti's journey shows the resilience and determination of individuals facing adversity, particularly those with disabilities. Despite losing his vision at a young age and experiencing challenges due to undernourishment, Subhash pursued education and secured a graduate degree alongside his brother Sachin, thanks to the opportunities available in the capital city, Delhi. Employed at Antardrishti, an NGO, Subhash played a vital role as a person in charge of handling the candle making machine. This showcased his capabilities and dedication. However, the onset of the pandemic brought unforeseen challenges, leading to Subhash losing his job. The subsequent 2 years of unemployment took a toll on his emotional well-being, bringing to the fore the vulnerability faced by individuals with disabilities in times of crisis. Throughout his journey, Subhash found solace and support through Hamari Vani. Since 2017, he has been a regular listener, gaining valuable information and actively contributing by recording on the platform since January 2018. Despite facing setbacks, Subhash remains determined to secure employment, diligently listening to the employment channel and applying for vacancies in the hopes of finding a placement. The recent addition of news information on Hamari Vani has further enriched Subhash's experience, providing him with timely updates and insights into the lives of people with disabilities. His continuous interaction with Hamari Vani showcases the impact that accessible information plays in empowering individuals like him by keeping them informed and connected with the world around them. The moving story of Subhash Bharti highlights the value of inclusive platforms like Hamari Vani in the lives of people with disabilities. Hamari Vani provides resources and opportunities and is a medium to stay connected to others in the community, which is crucial to instilling a sense of belonging.
Pankaj's journey of transformation. I got a job and became financially independent. Pankaj, Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Pankaj's journey is a powerful testament to the transformative impact of Hamari Vani. Despite being a person with vision impairment and facing financial constraints, Pankaj's life took a positive turn when he discovered Hamari Vani in 2018. This platform became his beacon of hope, providing him with vital information and opening doors to opportunities he had previously been unaware of. In 2019, thanks to Hamari Vani, Pankaj learnt about a job opportunity that would change his life. With assistance from this platform, he applied for the position and successfully secured it, earning rupees 10,000 per month. Hamari Vani did not just offer Pankaj a job, it provided him with the means to support his family financially, breaking the cycle of financial struggle they had endured for years. The significance of Hamari Vani in Pankaj's story cannot be overlooked. It served as his lifeline, empowering him to overcome barriers and achieve success despite the odds stacked against him. Through Hamari Vani, Pankaj found not only employment but also a sense of purpose and stability, proving that with the right resources and support, individuals with disabilities can thrive and contribute meaningfully to society.
Giving back to the society through Namma Vani.
I got a platform to give back to the society. Muniraju, H.N. Gowda, Bengaluru, Karnataka.
Muniraju H.N. Gowda is from Kengeri, Bengaluru district. He is a person with low vision. He completed his secondary school or SSLC. He is 31 years old and his achievements are commendable, taking into consideration all the difficulties and obstacles he must have faced due to his disability. Today, Muniraju is the founder and president of Sri Kala Jyoti Charitable Trust or SKJCT. The trust provides various services like education, health and nutrition or sanitation, rehabilitation services for poor families, vocational training, art and culture development, networking and advocacy, blind welfare, and many other noble facilities for people with disabilities or PWDs. This is not an easy task, but the young man wanted to serve other people with disabilities, and this was his way of showing his gratitude to society. Muniraju's journey with Namma Vani began in April 2019. Having understood that Namma Vani can be a life-changing platform for other persons with disability, he has shared information about cultural competitions like music and quiz competitions. He also advertises the availability of hostels for children with disabilities like vision impairment, mental illnesses, and intellectual disabilities. Job vacancies are also announced so that the unemployed can apply for jobs. Many persons with disabilities who are members of Namma Vani's huge family have benefited from Muniraju's active participation on the platform. Namma Vani is an ideal platform for Good Samaritans to contribute to the society. It is the thought that they need to give back to society that urges people like Muniraju to serve others despite their difficulties.
Kanailal accesses Braille publications. I am grateful for the concern community showed. Kanailal, North 24 Parganas, West Bengal.
The story of Kanailal Ghosh illustrates once again the role Amadir Vani played in the life of a person with vision impairment. Kanailal Ghosh is from North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. He faced the challenge of accessing Braille books. He turned to Amadir Vani, a valuable platform for communication among persons with disability. Through this platform, he sought contact information of Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission Blind Boys Academy, which offers Braille publications. Responding to his request, a listener named Jibesh Kope promptly provided the contact number of the Braille press. Kanai Lal was able to get the Braille publications he wanted. The most remarkable aspect of this narrative is how no obstacle or a problem, no matter how minor, that a person with a disability faces goes unchecked. Even the tiniest of problems are the concern of the community as a whole. Amader Vani users jump in to solve issues with the sole intention of lending a helping hand. It is selfless and pure, the eagerness exhibited by the users of the platform.
Brajesh advocates the power of education. I am amplifying Hamari Vani in my locality. Brajesh, Jharkhand.
Brajesh, hailing from Jharkhand, embodies resilience and the power of education. Born blind, his parents' decision to prioritize his education over costly treatments proved pivotal. He attended a blind school where he completed his B.Ed and now teaches English and Sanskrit to middle school students. Despite facing challenges, Brajesh is grateful for his parents' wise investment in his education. Married to Bharti, also a B.Ed graduate, their commitment to education extends to her tutoring kids voluntarily. With a family comprising his father, wife, 4 sisters, and a brother, Brajesh values the support of his loved ones. Introduced to Hamari Vani 3 years ago, Brajesh appreciates its accessibility and simplicity. He knows how many have benefited from job opportunity announcements, training, and English language resources. He actively guides his students and does not hesitate to share valuable information with others, emphasizing the importance of knowledge over trivial pursuits. His dedication to empowering his community through education and accessible resources through Hamari Vani platform highlights his selfless nature and resolve to have a beneficial influence. His advocacy for leveraging such platforms as Hamari Vani for personal and communal growth is truly inspiring.
A friend in need, Hamari Vani.
I got support during COVID. Suresh Kumar, Bihar.
Suresh Kumar's journey from a village in Bihar shows how impactful Hamari Vani is in connecting individuals with disabilities to valuable opportunities and resources. As the only person with disability in his family, Suresh's access to information and support was limited until he was introduced to Hamari Vani by a friend. Grateful for the Hamari Vani outreach, Suresh discovered a poetry competition organized by the Team Vision Foundation in Maharashtra. With the platform's assistance, he participated and emerged victorious, winning a prize. This achievement not only boosted his confidence but also highlighted the platform's role in promoting inclusive opportunities. During the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic, Suresh found further assistance through Hamari Vani. He learned about financial aid available to persons with disabilities or PWDs and successfully secured monetary assistance of 5,500 rupees from AICB. This support provided much needed relief and stability during uncertain times. Recently, Suresh, who was looking for employment opportunities, chanced upon a job opening for persons with disabilities in a packaging company through an announcement in Hamari Vani. Suresh wasted no time in applying for the position. As he awaits confirmation from the company, Suresh expresses gratitude towards Hamari Vani for its role in facilitating connections and providing solutions to challenges faced by individuals with disabilities. In Suresh's own words, Hamari Vani is doing a great job by connecting the community and providing solutions to our problems. Thank you and wish you all the best, Hamari Vani. His testimony underscores the essential role of platforms like Hamari Vani in fostering inclusivity, empowerment, and opportunity for individuals with disabilities across diverse communities.
Murugan gets his trump card. I became aware and acquired UDID card through Vani. Murugan, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Murugan is a person with vision impairment from Coimbatore who's determined to make most out of life. As usual, one day, when Murugan was listening to Kural Namada attentively, he heard an audio about something called the UDID card. He had never heard of it or how useful it is to a person with disability. Murugan decided to learn more about it. To his good luck, Kural Namada
published information about an UDID card camp
in Murugan's area shortly after. Without hesitation, Murugan participated in the camp, eager to understand how the UDID card could benefit him. With the help of the organizers at the camp, Murugan successfully applied for the UDID card and availed it. He now had a valuable document that could help him access various benefits and services for individuals with disabilities, like applying for loans to start a business, scholarships for education, free travel, transport concessions, access to assistive aids, etc. He expressed his heartfelt appreciation for the platform and its unwavering dedication to the welfare of the community. Murugan recorded an audio urging other people with disabilities to get a UDID card if they did not have it, and he also recorded the process to apply for the card. The power of the platform is its ability to inspire one to do a good deed in return for a favor received. When a user gains something, he feels that he can help others by imparting knowledge through the same platform. This is a way of contributing to the community for what has been received.
A boom in the incense business. I flourished in my business. Binay Mondal, Kolkata, West Bengal.
Binoy Mondal is a 32-year-old entrepreneur with vision impairment from Kolkata, Bidhan Nagar. He demonstrated remarkable initiative to expand his incense stick business through Amader Bani. Binoy utilized the platform to reach out to potential wholesale buyers by recording an audio message and providing his contact number. Thanks to his proactive approach, Binoy received inquiries from 4 interested parties who reached out to him through Amader Bani regarding wholesale purchases. This success story underscores the effectiveness of Amader Bani in facilitating connections and opportunities for individuals with disabilities to thrive in their entrepreneurial endeavors. Binoy's gratitude towards Amader Bani reflects the significant role the platform played in helping him grow and flourish in his business. His experience serves as an inspiring example of determination and resilience, demonstrating that with the right support and resources, individuals with disabilities can overcome barriers and achieve success in their chosen ventures.
Nammavani helps to find a true calling. My dream of becoming a music teacher came true. Eknath, Bidar, Karnataka.
Nammavani helped to turn Eknath's life around. If not for Nammavani's announcements from time to time about job opportunities, many people with disabilities would be unemployed and dependent on their parents, siblings, and relatives. The same goes for Eknath, who is from Bidar in the northeastern part of Karnataka. He and his sister are both persons with vision impairment. Eknath discontinued his education at the pre-university level, but along with his regular studies, he managed to learn Carnatic music. He passed music exams and today he is a musician. All said and done, getting a job was a Herculean task for an undergraduate young man with vision impairment. He heard about a requirement for a music teacher at Deepa Academy on Nammavani. He applied and he got the job with a salary of 8,000 rupees. He has been employed at Deepa Academy since 2017. Eknath is full of gratitude for Nammavani. It helped him to turn his life around. This job has made him an independent and confident person.
Virendra Gandharv overcomes challenges.
I got Hamari Vani platform to empower the community. Virendra Gandharv, Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh.
Virendra Gandharv lost his eyesight at the age of 3. He did his schooling at Raipur Blind School, where he completed his 8th standard. In Jabalpur, he managed to complete his 12th standard, after which he learned typing and then started looking for a job. He became a teacher at Abhilasha Blind School. It was now essential for him to have at least a diploma to be eligible to continue with his job, and his school informed him that a diploma from NIOS would be sufficient for him to be on the faculty list. He registered for the diploma in elementary education and completed the course. Introduced to Hamari Vani through a promotional call, Virendra recognized its potential as an invaluable resource for the community of people with disabilities, especially during COVID-19 period. He actively encourages his students to utilize the platform, recognizing its ability to provide guidance and support, especially for women from conservative backgrounds. Virendra personally contributes to the platform, recording issues faced by his students and sharing inspirational stories to uplift others. His dedication to empowering the community through education and technology is commendable. Virendra's story brings out the important role Hamari Vani played in providing support, guidance, and inspiration to individuals with disabilities, enabling them to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. His contributions to the platform serve as a testament to his unwavering commitment to making a positive impact in the lives of others. Basavaraj enables other people with disabilities.
I provided employment through Nammavani, Basavraj, Shivamogga, Karnataka.
Nammavani inspires people with disabilities to be proactive and aspire to reach for the rainbow. One such proactive user of Nammavani is Basavaraj, a native of Shivamogga, a person with vision impairment from birth. This disability did not stop him from completing pre-university. Basavaraj had always been interested in music, and this passion for music prompted him to learn music from Sri Krishna School for the Blind in Hubli. He considered himself to be one of the luckier ones as he was able to study and also learn music. How many people with disabilities get an opportunity to chase their dreams? This insight prompted Basavaraj to think of other persons who are visually impaired and who have not had a chance to fulfill their passion for learning music or dance or showcase their talents. In 2013, Basavaraj founded the Andhara Kala Samasthe, an organization for the persons with vision impairment to learn performing arts and participate in cultural activities. Basavaraj went live on Nammavani on 29 March 2022 to announce his requirement for a field worker and a sound operator. Manju, another young man with vision impairment from Hubli, responded. Manju was selected for the job. This was just the beginning. Basavaraj has ever since used the Nammavani platform to reach out to persons with disabilities to provide employment opportunities. Scores of Nammavani users find this very encouraging and are appreciative of the platform and its members. There is no doubt about the impact Nammavani has had in the lives of persons with disability. It has brought hope and stability to many. Overcoming adversity, Saroj Kumar Sahu's journey.
I got helpful advice after surgery. Saroj Kumar Sahu, Jajpur, Orissa.
In the wake of a life-changing spinal injury from a tragic road accident in 2017, Saroj Kumar Sahu of Jaipur, Odisha, found himself navigating a world altered by physical limitations. At 47 years, Saroj, along with his wife and son, faced the daily challenges due to his fractured spine. He was dependent on a wheelchair for mobility. The aftermath of the injury left Saroj grappling with numerous bodily irregularities, including loss of bladder and bowel control, excruciating pain at the injury site, and skin sensitivity resulting in redness after prolonged sitting. Amidst these hardships, Saroj's path intersected with hope. During a Google Meet session in April 2022, Saroj discovered the transformative platform Hamari Vani. Recognizing the platform as a beacon of assistance, Saroj bravely shared a recording of his struggles, challenges, and enduring pain at the surgery site. In response to Saroj's heartfelt plea for help, Hamari Vani emerged as a lifeline of guidance and support. Through the platform, Saroj received invaluable advice, including recommendations for CIC or clean intermittent catheterization for urine management and information on bowel management. Implementing these suggestions into his daily routine brought about remarkable transformations in Saroj's physical well-being. He witnessed significant improvements, with many of his initial challenges resolved. Grateful for the profound relief and empowerment bestowed upon him, Saroj extended his heartfelt gratitude to Hamari Vani for the life-changing support it provided. The platform's timely interventions not only addressed his immediate concerns, but also offered him a renewed sense of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Saroj's journey stands as a powerful testament to the unparalleled impact of Hamari Vani, showcasing how accessible resources and community support empower individuals to overcome life's most daunting obstacles. Bharti Sarkar gains access to healthcare. I got answer to my healthcare queries. Bharti Sarkar, Kolkata, West Bengal. Amader Bani serves as an amplifier for voices of individuals like Bharti Sarkar, which otherwise would have gone unheard. Amader Bani connected her with the necessary information and resources, which was crucial. Bharti Sarkar is a person with vision impairment from Kolkata, Konnagar. She fractured her pelvis bone due to several falls she has had while walking. Bharti Sarkar shared her experiences and challenges with users of Amader Bani. She requested information about a good hospital or a rehabilitation center that would give free treatment or at a very nominal charge for her locomotor disability. Many users of Amader Bani responded to this request with important and suitable healthcare options. Information about National Institute for Locomotor Disability or NILD and All India Institute of Medical Sciences or AIIMS Hospital was shared with her after searching from net. At present, she is being treated at AIIMS. This case study emphasizes the value of community-based programs like Amader Bani in empowering people, particularly those who have disabilities. A platform like this is a blessing as it can fill in gaps in people's lives by providing data, vital services, and support systems that are critical to their recovery and well-being. The life story of Bharti Sarkar serves as a prime illustration of how community-based platforms may help those in need gain access to social services and healthcare.
Jaya Prakash's friendship grows across states. I made friends across state boundaries. Jaya Prakash, Salem, Tamil Nadu.
Jaya Prakash is a person with vision impairment from Salem district. He finds Kural Namade very useful for persons with disability. People with disabilities, whether in semi-urban or rural areas, are cut off from a lot of information, and there are very few opportunities for networking with others in the community. Thereby, they lack knowledge about assistive technology and government schemes, especially meant for them. All this culminates in persons with disability becoming more and more dependent on their families for survival. Jaya Prakash is a proactive individual on Kural Namada platform. He finds information recorded on this platform very useful. He recommends that people from the community should post their queries on this platform. For example, he says if they want all the details about the collector's office and the district differently abled welfare officer, they should reach out to others on Kural Namada. Jaya Prakash is all praises for Kural Namada and gives an example of how it has helped him. He had recorded an audio on Kural Namada asking for information about the bus passes in Karnataka. Santosh, a person with vision impairment from Bengaluru, gave him the details. Kural Namada enabled him to foster a good friendship between Santosh and him. He wishes Kural Namada to continue to grow and guide everyone for many years to come. His opinion is that it is only through this platform persons with disability will flourish and be active and healthy. They will network better and probably find good friends through this platform.
Vani helps to solve Jitendra's problems.
I got solutions to manage my pain. Jitendra Kalahandi, Odisha.
Jitendra Behera, a 40-year-old resident of Kalahandi district in Odisha, faced a life-altering event when he suffered a spinal injury in a road accident in February 2021. This accident left him with complete paralysis in both legs, drastically changing his life and abilities. Despite the challenges posed by his condition, Jitendra remained determined to support his family and alleviate their poverty. After undergoing rehabilitation, Jitendra attempted to find work that he could perform while seated in a wheelchair. However, prolonged periods of sitting exacerbated the pain stemming from his spinal injury, making it difficult for him to sustain employment. In October 2022, he discovered Hamari Vani during an online stretching class led by Kamalakanta. Recognizing Hamari Vani as a potential source of assistance, Jitendra reached out to the platform on January 2, 2023, seeking relief from his persistent pain. Through the spinal cord injury series on Hamari Vani, he received guidance advising him to change his wheelchair and engage in regular exercises. Following this advice, Jitendra diligently adhered to the prescribed regimen, leading to significant relief from his pain. Jitendra continues to be an avid listener of Hamari Vani, ever grateful for the relief he experienced. Empowered by the positive impact of the platform, he now seeks opportunities for employment and economic stability. Jitendra hopes to receive guidance and support in navigating his journey towards securing livelihood opportunities through Hamari Vani. Jitendra's story showcases the transformation that takes place when one interacts with Hamari Vani users. Through the platform, Jitendra found relief from pain and a newfound hope for a brighter future, demonstrating the invaluable role of community-driven initiatives in empowering individuals to overcome adversity and pursue their aspirations. All persons with disabilities, whether mild or severe, have some takeaways from Hamari Vani. It is a one-stop place for networking, solutions, information, and support.
Empowering lives, Madan Kumar's journey. Now I work in railways thanks to Hamari Vani. Madan, Chhindwada, Madhya Pradesh.
Madan Kumar is a person with vision impairment. His determination to move ahead despite the challenges he faced helped him to complete his M.Ed and secure a position in the Central Railway, Mumbai. Introduced to Hamari Vani 3 years ago, Madan's gratitude towards the platform is unmeasurable. Through an audio published on Hamari Vani, he learned about job openings in the Indian Railways and successfully applied for his current position. Hamari Vani's provision of training, employment information, and other useful resources has been instrumental in addressing the challenges faced by Madan and others like him. Madan resides alone in Mumbai, while his family remains in their hometown. He manages household tasks independently, utilizing Hamari Vani for support and guidance. He travels alone on Mumbai's bustling local trains from Diva to Matunga every day. Madan is a standing example of self-reliance and determination. It is amazing what a sense of belonging, social support, and confidence can do to person with disabilities. It is stories like Madan's that make it worthwhile to build the community of Hamari Vani users to an even larger number and encourage its members to contribute more to the community.
Namma Vani, a favorable platform for selfless work.
I got my job card. Ramesh, Tumkur, Karnataka.
Ramesh is a person with vision impairment who hails from Tumkuru, Karnataka. Shiva Nanju, a Namma Vani user and a friend of Ramesh, introduces him to the platform. This was back in 2019. Ramesh is a singer in an orchestra troupe called Annapurneshwara Andhara Geeta Gayana. Other than this, he did not have a regular job. With the cost of living going up, Ramesh found that he needed a regular job to sustain himself. This is when he heard a recording of Arun Kumar, our Namma Vani ambassador. Arun Kumar had collected information about the job card. Under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, there is an opportunity for a person with a disability to apply for a job card at Gram Panchayat. The job card is for people to get unskilled labor work. Arun Kumar took the initiative and recorded an audio about how one can apply for the job card, and he also provided the toll-free number for further queries. Ramesh called the toll-free number to get more information, and then he approached the Gram Panchayat with the required documents. All the documents were approved. He received a job card within a week. Ramesh then started following up with Gram Panchayat for further job placement. The help Ramesh received from Arun proves the concern and an innate desire to lend a helping hand to other members of the community. Nammavani is a platform that provides the opportunity for people to extend help to each other and provide selfless service.
Manikandan's persistence pays off. I finally got my disability pension. Manikandan, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu.
Manikandan, an individual with vision impairment from the district of Kanchipuram, decided to seek help through an audio message on Kural Namudu, a platform he trusts. In his message, he asked for guidance on how to apply for a pension and educational stipend. This was an important step for him, and he hoped someone would respond. Many users of Kural Namudu responded to his query with helpful advice and encouragement. Among them was the team of Kural Namudu, who explained the process in simple terms. Manikandan felt grateful for the support and guidance. Manikandan applied for the pension and educational stipend, following up diligently to ensure his applications were processed correctly. It was not an easy task, but he remained persistent. He was determined to give himself a better future, and that made him see the task to the end. Finally, in June 2023, Manikandan received the wonderful news that the government had approved his disability pension, granting him Rs 1,500 per month. For Manikandan, it was a moment of great relief and happiness. His hard work had paid off. With Kural Namudu's support, he expressed that Kural Namudu's guidance and support had made a significant difference in his life, enabling him to access the assistance he needed to thrive despite his challenges. He thanks Kural Namudu and its listeners. Manikandan is now more confident, knowing that he is not alone. This sense of belonging and knowing people have his back, come what may, goes a long way in bringing peace and happiness.
Facing adversities with courage. Hamari Vani is my lifeline and a companion. Reena, Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. Reena's story is yet another story that emphasizes how Hamari Vani can wave a magic wand and transform an individual to become more determined and move ahead despite adversities. Residing in Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, Reena lost her vision at a young age due to an eye infection. She has been married to Suresh Jahan, a laborer working in Gujarat for 5 years. Due to economic conditions, Reena required employment to support her family. Reena sought help for employment through Radio Udan and was directed to Hamari Vani. Since 2021, she has been a dedicated caller, reaching out to the platform at least 3 times a day to access valuable information and connect with others. On December 3, 2022, Reena learned about the Disability Pension Office through Hamari Vani. Grateful for the accurate information provided, she credits the platform and Munna Lal Bharti, a prudent recorder of Hamari Vani, for transforming her life. Hamari Vani's accessibility has been instrumental for Reena, allowing her to access vital information and connect with fellow individuals with disabilities from the comfort of her home, even without internet access. As a housewife who rarely ventures outside, the platform has become her lifeline, offering companionship, support, and essential resources. In expressing her gratitude, Reena acknowledges the profound impact of Hamari Vani in bridging the gap between individuals with disabilities and providing the information and support they need. Connections through Namma Vani.
I got part-time resource for my organization, Basavalingappa, Gadag, Karnataka.
Basavalingappa is a young man of 25 years from a village called Hulkoti in Gadag district, Karnataka. He is blind from birth. He managed to complete graduation in arts stream. Basavalingappa appreciates Namma Vani and acknowledges the benefits he and others get from understanding the schemes for persons with disabilities. Listening to many case studies and inspirational stories increased his confidence in Namma Vani. Employment opportunities through Namma Vani enabled him to attend interviews and gain good experience. This boosted his confidence. Basavalingappa now works as Secretary of Jyana Trust for the Disabled in Gadag. He decided to use Namma Vani to post the requirements for a music teacher. More than 30 members showed great interest in the post. Miss Ramija from Koppal was selected to take classes on the weekends. She earns Rs 5,000 monthly. She is one among many persons with vision impairment who has benefited from the announcement. Such announcements are made regularly on Namma Vani by the users. It is an undisputed opinion of the Namma Vani users that this is a great platform for people who are visually impaired to get to know others from remote places, know their difficulties and their life stories, and in turn gain confidence and get inspired. Many have a livelihood and proudly take home a salary, however small. Something is better than being dependent, and this is because of the network that Namma Vani has created. Shiva's journey with Kural Namada and Annai Blind Sangam.
I got an equipment to expand my business. Shiva, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Shiva, a person with vision impairment, is a determined young man who possesses a strong desire to succeed. On Kural Namadu platform, Shiva had the opportunity to listen to an audio message from the president of Annai Blind Sangam, located in Pallikaranai, Balaji Nagar, Chennai. In the message, the president announced that they would provide audio equipment or mic radios for business purposes. This news filled Shiva with hope and excitement, seeing it as a chance to expand his own business. Without hesitation, Shiva reached out to the Annai Blind Sangam and expressed his need for the equipment. He was delighted when his request was accepted, and he soon received the much-needed equipment. This was useful for Shiva to expand his business and to reach a wider audience. Shiva expressed his gratitude to the president of Annai Blind Sangam for his generosity and support. He also extended his appreciation to Kural Namadu, the platform through which he learned about the opportunity, recognizing its role in facilitating connections and empowering individuals like himself. Ajay helps through Nammavani.
I am happy to motivate people to be self-employed. Ajay, Chitradurga, Karnataka.
Ajay Kumar hails from the Mudapura village located in Holalkere Taluka of Chitradurga district in Karnataka. Ajay Kumar is a person with vision impairment. He completed pre-university and got a home-based job at Bigways Technology for a monthly remuneration of 3,000 rupees. In 2016, his friend Anjaneya Murthy, a Nammavani user, introduced him to the platform. Ajay was really blown away by the recordings and the interaction between the users of Nammavani platform. Ajay decided to become a part of the network. Thus began his journey with Nammavani. First, he learned how to connect with others, how to broadcast information, and how to reach out to other users about employment and training. At first, Ajay was very shy about recording in his voice. His friend Shanta Virappa helped Ajay to record and broadcast an announcement about the home-based job for persons with disability. Ajay spoke about the possibility of earning from home by selling products and services, which is based on the Aadhaar payment system that many users did not know about. This is a secure and convenient payment mechanism that allows individuals to use their Aadhaar number and biometric authentication to access various banking services like cash withdrawals, balance inquiries, fund transfers, etc. Ajay motivated others to give this job a try so that they could work from home and be self-employed. One will be surprised to hear of the self-employment business ideas that emerged from such a broadcast. Nammavani proved to be a bridge to progress for persons with disabilities when there was none. Ramanji gets his identity proof.
I got my UDID and Aadhaar card. Ramanji, Chikkaballapura, Karnataka.
The popularity of Nammavani drew a 28-year-old man with vision impairment called Ramanji from Dronakunte, Gauribidanur into the family of users of the platform. In 2016, Nagesh, a friend of Ramanji, introduced him to Nammavani and taught him how to use it. Ramanji has since then used the platform to listen to the recordings, access information that has been published, and post queries to clear doubts or get some specific information. Ramanji wanted to apply for UDID card or Unique Disability ID, which is recognized as proof of disability by the Government of India. This means that persons with disabilities or PWDs can use their UDID card to access government schemes and benefits such as financial assistance, healthcare services, education, and employment. Ramanji posted the query on the Nammavani platform, and other users got back to him on the process of applying for UDID. He followed the instructions and managed to get it. His next task was to get information and guidance about scanning his fingerprint for his Aadhaar card. He was guided to visit the cyber center to do the needful. Soon he was able to get his Aadhaar card. Wading through the processes to obtain these government IDs is not easy, and Ramanji was able to sail through the process due to the help from Nammavani users. Ramanji is one of many cases where Nammavani has supported users on several tasks like this. The platform has a vast collection of information that is a boon for people staying in remote places. Smooth sailing through the government process.
I was able to navigate through the government system. Rabin Karmakar, Darjeeling, West Bengal.
Rabin Karmakar is a person with vision impairment from Darjeeling, West Bengal. His wife Arpita is a person with vision impairment. She lost her vision late in life, and it was crucial for her to get a disability certificate. Without a disability certificate, it is very difficult for persons with vision impairment to get any kind of benefits that they are entitled to, like training, employment through disability quota, disability pension, etc. Rabin took a proactive step towards accessing necessary resources and posted his query on Amadir Bani. In no time, he received guidance on the process of obtaining a disability certificate. He was able to navigate bureaucratic procedures effectively. One can imagine how thankful he would have been to have people guide him at every step. Usually, one has to run around filling out various forms and provide necessary documents, but Rabin was able to glide through the process easily. Arpita successfully obtained her certificate. Rabin expressed his gratitude to Amadir Bani for the assistance provided. Proactive members bring a glimmer of hope.
I got access to ATM through ATA, Anytime Advice Platform, Nammavani, Dhanisha, Tumkur, Karnataka.
Dharanisha is a native of Kaluru village in Tumkur district of Karnataka. He is a person with visual impairment and his wife is a person with low vision. He found employment in Bengaluru as a packer. He managed to stay in Bengaluru for 7 years, moving from one company to another. Dharanisha had to move back to his village 4 years ago. With high cost of living in Bengaluru, it was impossible to make ends meet. Going back to the village was also burdensome as he could not get a job. He stays at home unemployed while his wife works as a maid in different houses to feed the family. Thankfully, with her low vision, she can manage work in other houses. In October 2023, a friend of Dharanisha informed him about Nammavani. The first query he raised on Nammavani was about the procedure to get an ATM card. Guidance for this query was given by Virupaksha from Gadag, Hanumanta from Yashwantpura, and Shivakumar from Chitradurga. All of them informed him of the existing circular which entitles all account holders to have an ATM card and details on how to get one. Dharanisha succeeded in convincing the bank manager to issue an ATM card which enabled him to withdraw money from his account. Nammavani and its members are proactive and ever ready to help those who need assistance. Hope renewed by Hamari Vani.
My financial burden reduced after I got my ration card. Sajidji Wagwadi, Nanded, Maharashtra.
Sajidji Wangwadi's journey illustrates the invaluable role that Hamari Vani plays in the lives of individuals with disabilities. Despite facing accessibility challenges and financial constraints, Sajidji Wangwadi's determination to pursue education was not dimmed. However, upon discovering Hamari Vani, Sajid ji found an additional sense of hope and support. Hamari Vani emerged as a lifeline for Sajid ji, providing him with a platform where he could seek solutions to his challenges. When traditional avenues failed to yield results in his job search, Sajid ji turned to Hamari Vani for assistance, where he not only found information about government schemes but also received guidance on how to navigate the application process. The support provided by Hamari Vani listeners Jyoti and Neha proved to be instrumental in Sajid ji's journey. He was able to successfully apply for a ration card, thereby alleviating some of the financial burdens he faced. Sajid ji's story showcases how Hamari Vani not only offers practical solutions but also fosters support among individuals with disabilities. Sajid ji's desire for Hamari Vani to continue its contribution to disability communities reflects the platform's profound impact. By providing accessible information, support, and inclusive opportunities, Hamari Vani empowers individuals like Sajid ji to overcome obstacles and improve their quality of life. Timely support to progress.
I got support when I desperately needed. Shashikant, Bhojpur, Bihar.
Shashikant's journey from Bhojpur, Bihar exemplifies the transformative power of Hamari Vani in empowering individuals with disabilities to overcome challenges and pursue their aspirations. Born blind, Shashikant faced numerous obstacles while studying. The greater issue was getting essential documents for his further studies. Introduced to Hamari Vani by a classmate in 2019, Shashikant found solace and support in the platform's community. In November 2021, he bravely shared his predicament on Hamari Vani, seeking assistance in obtaining crucial documents like his Aadhaar card and medical certificate. The response was overwhelming, with a barrage of suggestions, guidance, and support from Hamari Vani community. Empowered by the platform's network, Shashikant successfully obtained his Aadhaar card and initiated the process for his medical certificate. Additionally, he completed admission formalities with Delhi Open School, paving the way for his continued education. Hamari Vani's ability to connect individuals, share valuable information, and offer guidance proved invaluable in Shashikant's pursuit of his dreams. It also highlights the importance of an accessible platform. Grateful for all the assistance, Shashikant acknowledges Hamari Vani's profound impact on his life. In his own words, Hamari Vani has solved many of my problems very easily. Thanks, Hamari Vani. It is comforting to know that there is a whole community out there to assist you in achieving your goals and moving ahead confidently.
Tilak Saha gets training at Prerna Training Center. I got access to training. Tilak Saha, Murshidabad, West Bengal.
Tilak Saha's story brings to the fore the role played by Amadir Bani in helping him access information and employment opportunities. Despite being a person with vision impairment from Murshidabad, West Bengal, Tilak learned about various job openings and training programs through Vani platform. Tilak heard about a training program at Prerna Training Center on the Vani platform. He took proactive steps to fill out application forms and attended the training sessions, demonstrating his determination to secure employment. The information about a training center like the Prerna Training Center on Amader Bani indicates that the platform not only disseminates information but also connects individuals with relevant training programs to enhance their skills and qualifications for employment. It empowers people with disabilities to pursue their career goals and become self-reliant. Tilak's appreciation for Amader Bani highlights the important role it plays in educating people with disabilities by giving them access to opportunities and necessary resources. Tilak's support for the platform emphasizes the possibility that these kind of efforts could promote inclusivity and empowerment in underserved communities.
Ripple effect of Nammavani. I got a job and feel blessed to be in blessed society. Sudha, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Sudha is a person with vision impairment. This young woman is from Bengaluru. She learned about Nammavani through a friend. She heard about an opening for a job in Blessed Society through Nammavani. She applied and got the job as a receptionist at the Blessed Society. She recorded many audios about Blessed Society and the services and facilities provided by the organization for people with disabilities. These audios were broadcast on Nammavani. The feedback from the users of Nammavani proves that the platform has been making a tremendous impact on the users, which is very encouraging and motivating. This causes a ripple effect where the users get inspired to share, and that in turn is an encouragement for other users to come forward. There have been some old users of the platform who have shared information in hundreds, which can be accessed by new users. One day, Nammavani will reach persons with disabilities pan-India and in the remotest corners.
Testimonials. Nammavani has helped many users to share career guidance with others, avail employment opportunities, and get ideas to engage in self-employment. For Jagadish, Nammavani is like a friend. Jagadish, Nammavani user with vision impairment from Bijapur, Karnataka.
As a user of the Nammavani platform, I am happy to say that I have benefited from the guidance shared on the basic requirements needed to know on operating a computer. I have also benefited by the question and answer series on FDA and STA exams and motivational stories. The shift from missed call to direct call on Nammavani has reduced my waiting time. We need to share the best information on Nammavani for the benefit of all users. Mahantish, Nammavani user with vision impairment from Tumakuru, Karnataka.
Thank you, Nammavani, 1,000 times for publishing audio regarding information for correction or modification of the UDID card. It has helped so many who needed guidance about it. My friends who are working in a special school have recorded the details on their Android mobile and shared the audio when someone required information on this matter, also requesting to republish the audio for the benefit of those who require guidance. Apart from taking us forward with knowledge, Nammavani also provides us with entertainment. Krishnamurthy, Nammavani user with vision impairment from Tumakuru, Karnataka.
I appreciate Nammavani for helping me connect with my friends after a gap of 10 to 15 years. Parshuram, Nammavani user with vision impairment from Yadgir, Karnataka.
I highly appreciate one of the recordings about a job opportunity due to which a person with vision impairment got a job at Amazon. My gratitude to Enable India for being with us. I assure to always support Nammavani It has been growing since 2016. My wish is that it grows more rapidly in the years to come. Thanks to entire Enable India team, Pradeep, Nammavani user with vision impairment from Bidar, Karnataka.
Testimonials from Amadir Bani users. Amadir Bani is a very good platform for persons with disability. It will be great if Amadir Bani's number is shared with every person with disability in West Bengal so that everybody benefits. Rahul Banerjee, a person with vision impairment, North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. Amadir Bani is a very good platform for persons with disability. I have understood different types of disabilities and liked motivational stories from Amadir Bani. I have also improved my general knowledge by listening to Amadir Bani. Bapi Sarkar, a person with vision impairment from Kuch Bihar, West Bengal. Amadir Bani is a very good platform for persons with disability. I like the general knowledge questions and motivational stories because it helps me gain knowledge. Arshina Bibi, a person with vision impairment from North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. Rahul Shah, a person with vision impairment from Darjeeling, praises Amadir Bani and explains the benefits of the platform. Rahul says, if you want to know about government schemes and health information, listen to Amadir Bani. It is the first platform in Bangla and it is a very useful platform for every person with disability. Rahul Shah, a person with vision impairment from Darjeeling, West Bengal. Amadir Bani is a platform where all the people with disability can share their own experiences, disability-related information and questions. I had not taken listening to Amadir Bani seriously, but when I started listening, I got a lot of information. Thank you. Jayanta, a person with vision impairment from South Dinajpur, West Bengal. I listen to Amadir Bani every day. I get lots of information about jobs, government schemes, and government documents, and get to know a lot of motivational stories from Amadir Bani. Amadir Bani is doing a great job for persons with disability. Tilak Saha, a person with vision impairment from Murshidabad, West Bengal.
Testimonials from Kural Namada users. Hello, I am Madhivanan, a person with vision impairment from Chennai. I wish to salute and thank the staff of Kural Namada for their useful work. Even though I do not have a television or a smartphone yet, I am aware of all the current affairs through Kural Namada. I am very happy to know about the huge number of calls and users on the platform. All the information given was useful to me. Madhivanan, a person with vision impairment from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Hello, I am Shivalingam, a person with vision impairment from Coimbatore. To me, Kural Namada is a backbone and a source of hope. The platform has been recording very useful information and we have benefited by listening to it. Continue to post your queries on this platform and contact me to know the power and purpose of Kural Namada. Shivalingam, a person with vision impairment from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Hello, I am Rasulba, an individual with vision impairment from the Vellore district. All the information from Kural Namada is very informative, useful and correct, and this has enlightened persons with disability. It is 9 months since Kural Namada platform started and it is attracting more and more persons with disabilities. The platform is like a friend to us. All the government news and matters related to education, employment and written examinations are broadcast through this platform. I feel very proud to be a listener of this platform as I learn many things. Congratulations to the team of Kural Namada. Keep up the good work. We will extend our support and help to publish more information. Rasulba, an individual with vision impairment from Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Greetings to all listeners of Kural Namada from Ganapati, a person with vision impairment from Thuttukudi. Kural Namada is giving us a lot of information. They also provide us with phone numbers for our requirements, including that of the Chief Secretary and the Secretary of Health Department. Please extend the platform to all districts. The staff who work for Kural Namada are constantly talking to us on the phone and giving us support. They try to organize good programs for us. We should also support their effort to make Kural Namada famous and take it to the top. Thank you. Ganapati, a person with vision impairment from Thuttukudi, Tamil Nadu. Hello, I am Chelladurai, a person with vision impairment from the Madurai district. The information regarding the rights of persons with disability and 21 kinds of disability was very useful and comprehending. This service should be continued. Kural Namada, let us know how we can cooperate. We are looking forward to working shoulder to shoulder with you. Thank you. Chelladurai, a person with vision impairment from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Hello, dear friends of Kural Namada. I am Selvaraj, an individual with vision impairment from Madurai district. Kural Namada team congratulated me on the audio I recorded. So far, 63 friends have contacted me after listening to my audio. My thanks to all of them. I am also thankful to the staff of Kural Namada for the publication of this information. Selvaraj, an individual with vision impairment from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Hello friends, I am S. Nagendran from the Dindigul district. Kural Namada is the platform for us. I request other persons with disabilities to register and help the platform to grow further. We hope that Kural Namada will get a special recognition in 2024. My wish is that our Kural Namada should be known all over India. S. Nagendran from Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. Here are some of the testimonials from Hamari Vani users. I like your channel. Information provided by Munnalal Bharati is very useful to our community and we are very thankful. Please continue to provide useful information to us. Sailam, Hamari Vani user from Meghalaya. Thank you so much for answering my questions on Hamari Vani, Poonamji. I shall continue asking questions and wish you continue to answer like this always. I convey my heartfelt wishes for you to move ahead and keep giving information on Hamari Vani. Wish you happiness forever. Pintu Kumar, Hamari Vani user from Bihar. Thanks to Hamari Vani for making this platform accessible to all people with disabilities. It is not only for recording our problems, but also a platform where we get solutions. Hamari Vani also looks out for unemployed people with disabilities by publishing job opportunities and keeps us all connected. Rahul, Hamari Vani user from Bihar. Thanks to Hamari Vani, I got a good job. Please keep doing good work and helping people with disabilities. I request all my friends who have disabilities to keep working and complete their education. Like me, one day you will all get good jobs. I congratulate the whole team of Hamari Vani. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Hamari Vani user from Bihar. Mera maan, mera samman. I am financially independent. I want other people like me to also get independent. I heard about my current job in Hamari Vani and joined. The job I found includes transport to the factory. Salary may be less, but you need not spend any money. There are many vacancies. Please call me. You will also be financially independent. Hamari Vani. Anand Kumar Chaudhary, Hamari Vani user from Morbi, Gujarat.